Okay, everybody, so here we are in Peru during the second annual Resonance Academy Delegate Gathering, and we're in a very small museum that has this very significant specimen. It's a complete skeleton of a being that we don't know its origin, and DNA testing has been done on this skull, and we know that the maternal DNA is human, but the paternal DNA is unlike any sequence in the DNA database of all humans, and they've compared it to all ethnicities, all regions. It's actually been found with a fetus. It's not easily clear to see which is the fetus and which is the being, but apparently it's a fetus and a being. And this skeleton has 2 less ribs than a human. And apparently some Russians took some part of the rib, and that's how they got the DNA on it. And Nassim Haramein and Brian Forrester hope to do more testing on this skeleton.